Hey guys, it's Technology Nerd here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of another Logitech keyboard. And over here we have the Logitech G710 Plus. This is Logitech's mechanical keyboard. So it's their mechanical gaming keyboard. It's part of the new G series also. So the G710 Plus has, let's just go to the back here, has 6 programmable G keys right here, which can be programmed using that Logitech software that comes with it. I forget what it's called. Here's just some extra stuff. We have 110 key anti-ghosting, 26 key rollovers, game desktop mode, dedicated media controls. We have adjustable dual zone backlighting right here. So you can have dual zone backlighting. High speed, low noise tactical switches for feedback. You can feel. Of course, since it's a mechanical keyboard, the keys are going to feel a little bit heavier. They're going to have that nice click to it. Let's go ahead and unbox this keyboard. And thanks again to Logitech for sending this out for us to review. Move that aside. Just have a plain white box right here. And actually, there's more. Right here. So here's the keyboard itself. This is a wired keyboard too. Probably mentioned that. Here's some documentation, which I'll go through in a second. It's a very thick cable. It actually takes two USB ports on the computer. So that's something you want to notice. 2 USB ports. That's interesting. So let me just move this aside. Here's the little armrest that comes with it for extra comfort, which is kind of nice. I have it on my G510s. So let's just go ahead and look at the keyboard. Try to see where it opens from. It's a very heavy keyboard, I gotta say. Definitely you could tell it's high quality. And actually it has a USB port on the back. I did not notice that. So you can plug in your USB devices on the back of it. Or maybe it's for USB, your USB headset would be a good thing to plug into the back of this. So here's the keyboard itself. It's actually quite nice looking. Here we have those 6 G keys that I was talking about. You can definitely feel the difference. You can hear the noise too. This does have a nicer feel to it. It is a very nice keyboard. You have the volume rocker right here, up and down. You have your media keys right here, and your backlighting keys. Here you have the switch mute, a mute switch. We also have game mode on or off. That's the light for that, which is also on the G510s. So this keyboard is actually very, very comfortable. On the back, not much to see. We have the G510 Plus, G710 Plus mechanical keyboard, and of course you have the tabs here to lift it so it's at an angle. So you can put it like that. Now let's just go and put the armrest on to see how that looks. I gotta say, Logitech's new G series are impressing me every time I get a new product to review. Their keyboards are amazing and affordable too. So far, I am very happy with Logitech's new line, or updated line, should I say. Let's just see how this fits in here. So these two clip right in, and that just clips right in. And we have that nice little armrest right there. So once I was talking about it, the 2 USB ports right here. One's for the keyboard. Actually, one's, here we go, there's a label on it. One's for the keyboard, the other one is actually for that USB port that is on the back, which, like I said, you might find useful if you're going to use it for your gaming headsets, your surround sound gaming headsets, which most of them have USB. So here's just a setup guide, right here. You can use the Logitech gaming software to set up your profile keys. And we'll go over that more in the review. When I do the review, we'll go over it. But for right now, this is the unboxing just to look at the product itself and to go into a nice little overview of it. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. Follow us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our channel. And also, another thing too to add, this Humble Bundle going on right now, and I'll post the link below, an Origin Humble Bundle. So you'll get Battlefield 3 for over the average price, Dead Space, Crisis 2, Burnout Paradise, all these awesome games, all from Humble Bundle, and while helping out a charity too. You can help out charities like the EFF and Child's Play, I think were two of them, and many more. So please do consider, for just $1 you can get all these games, and then for over $5 you can add in Sims 3 and Battlefield 3. So be sure to check out that link, which will also be below. And thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos, and have a good one.